Hello everyone, Nightwave 37 here. Tonight I'm doing a review on a couple buck knives. Okay, the first one here, this is part of their Heritage series, which is an update to their Classic series, which is basically the next step up from their Basic. This is the Heritage series 103 Skinner. It's got a 4-inch blade, Cocobolo wood handles with nickel bolsters. The blade is D2. It's 4 inches long. This and the sheath is imported just like your standard series ones. And anything from the Heritage series on up, this is the kind of box you're going to get from Buck Knives, is what your knife will arrive in. This knife here you have to buy directly from the Buck Knives website. But yeah, this is one of the knives I plan on taking with me hunting this fall. This should make a very good skinner. This is the Buck 103, the Heritage Buck 103 Skinner. I highly recommend this knife. I bought this back in July on sale. I only paid like 85 bucks for it or something. But yeah, these are decently sharp. So yeah, that should serve me well for skinning deer and elk, because it's especially with that D2 tool steel, which you only have to touch it up once in a great blue moon. I know not to let it go completely dull, or otherwise it's a real pain to sharpen, but should serve me just fine on multiple deer and elk. And we got one more knife here. This is kind of like my everyday carry. This is the Buck 303 Cadet. This one's made in the USA. It's got the clip spay and sheep's foot blades. The length on the clip blade is, I'll let you all take a look at the clip blade right there. It's like 2.5 inches. The sheep's foot runs about 1 3/4 inches. And the spay is about 1 11/16. The handle material on this is black Valox with nickel silver bolsters. All these is made from your standard 420 stainless. These come in the yellow boxes. It's pretty good for an affordable let me get it up right here. Affordable made in USA pocket knife of decent quality from a reputable maker. And it's really pretty light for its size. I mean, I think it only weighs like less than 2 ounces altogether. Easy to carry. So yeah, I mean, you can use this for small game, everyday carry, maybe as a last resort defense weapon. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, and I thank everyone for their support. This is Nightwave 37 signing off.